Namaste all. Very good evening. And so, how are you doing and all? Yeah, we know Black Friday started and sales are almost all sales are live, like lifetime deals, software discounts, new products. Everything is almost live. Yeah, still some deals are yet to live. And before we start, so how is your shopping is going on? Yeah, Namaste, Joginder. Welcome. Yeah, Namaste, Indrapreet. So yeah, please comment your Black Friday shopping list or what and all you bought. Otherwise, what are you looking for? Maybe. No, I'm not getting comments. That's what I'm waiting for your comments. So, what type of tool actually you are looking to buy this sale season? And yeah, meanwhile, if you are new to this, please join our community on Facebook. That is, I have shared the URL here. Okay, so please join us, and we are doing a lot of lives, giveaways, and discussions also. And also, we keep adding the Black Friday sales list as well to the uh, this one list. And we do have regular live streamings and webinars with founders whenever possible, so you can even join us live and ask questions, and if you have any doubts also you can clarify with them. Okay, and today actually we have scheduled with the FormNX founder, and that is a no code form builder. Okay, so the founder is yet to turn up. Maybe we'll wait for some more time, 5 more minutes till 7:10 p.m. So meanwhile we can go through the uh, FormNX from our side. Okay, yeah. In the pitch shade is looking for Vbout and no reply. Yeah, email marketing and marketing tool and cold emailing tool as well. Okay, yeah, I'm also looking for both of them. I have already Vbout. I'm thinking to upgrade to the highest tier. Okay, let's see. So okay, anyway, meanwhile, so let's have a look at the form NX. I'm going to share my screen. Okay, so you can see my screen, right? So yeah, this is the form NX no code form builder. Actually, they have a lot of features mentioned here, like unlimited forms, accessible templates, password protected forms, seamless integrations, customization, submissions, condition fields, webhooks, a lot more stuff. Okay, so these on their website, and these formnx.com. Okay, and they have these plans, monthly, premium and ultimate. So in premium actually they have unlimited forms in both of them, and here they also have workspaces, so 3 workspaces, 50 workspaces, and uh, 10 users it is same, and storage is around 500 MB storage in uh, premium plan, and 5 GB storage in ultimate plan. Okay, and they have a free plan as well, so we can try on this. Okay, and the yearly plan is same, but they are giving little more discount on this, like 30% on. So these on their website. And let's go to the AppsMo page where they have this lifetime deal. Okay, so they're saying these alternative gravity forms and type form. They have these features like webbook, Stripe, Mailchimp, Google Sheets, and all. Okay, and so when we go down, these are the features included in this plan, and they mention a lifetime access to FormNX, all future premium plan updates. So as we see in that website, there are two plans. One is premium and another one is ultimate. So they are referring to premium. This one, okay. So maybe we will see how it goes. Okay, we can ask the founder as well. And they have recaptcha and personal thank you page, form scheduling also, and submission like export to CSV file and other formats, lightbox, auto response email, progress bar, like multi-step forms and other stuff on fields and condition fields and rules. Okay, and when we come to the plans, they have four plans actually. So one is of with one workspace, that is $49, 5 GB storage as well, and 5 users per workspace. So when we compare to these plans, actually they are giving more features on the lifetime deal. Okay, can you all see my screen? I have just a doubt, so I just wanted to clarify. uh, can you see my FormNX screen, right? Please comment. Okay, so this is the comparison. And in the second plan, they are giving more workspaces and more storage, 50 GB, and this is common like 5 users per workspace. Okay, so it's like 20 users. And then tier 3, that is like sorry, 3 codes, that is $147, 8 workspaces, 100 GB. So there is jump from 4 to 8. Okay, and then 5 user workspaces, unlimited forms, this is quite common. And no branding from FormNX, and add custom JS and SEO settings. So this plan looks like it is connected to the ultimate plan, because in this only we get this no branding and custom JSS and CSS. Okay, and let's see the highest for codes plan. So here they are giving 20 workspaces and 150 GB, and remaining all same. So yeah, I think there is some branding even on the first two codes. If you buy two codes also, and SEO settings. Okay, this is from the AppSumo page. And let's go to reviews. So there is one user at review, excellent form builder. Okay, so seems like a genuine one. What is that? While testing FormNX free plan, I thought it has a really elegant design. Like, okay, okay. So yeah, let's dive into the. Let's go there and create a free plan. Why not? Okay. So sorry. Okay, so email verification is required. Waiting for email. Okay, I have received email. Okay, yeah, fine. It is verified now. Okay, let's go to login. Okay, so I think what happened. Okay, it is asking. Okay, so yeah, this is the URL. Once you confirm the email, it is asking for this thing. Okay, so yeah, anything, industry, information technology, company size, 1 to 10 employees. How did you discover Facebook? Okay, forms you want to create, registration, quiz, application, algorithm forms, anything. Okay, I want to create more survey, quiz, contact. Okay, anything. So maybe yeah, order forms also. So yeah, as they have integration with Stripe and all, I think you can do this. So what integration you're looking to implement in forms? So what I need is yeah, we both. Why not? And WordPress forms I have this already. I want to have books, so I can connect to that. And yes, Google Sheet integration is good. Okay, yeah. For me, this is enough. Let's start. Okay, this is the dashboard, and here actually to create form they have four options actually. One is to create from scratch, template, use AI, otherwise copy existing form if you have it already. So to anywhere, not just this application, if you are going to uh, create something new, I suggest going through their templates actually, so at least you will understand how it works and how it looks like and what and all is there. And anyway you will customize them according to your ways. So I preferably go to this template things. So they have a referral program form, parent satisfactory form. These are all these things, templates as templates. Okay, so Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale, embedded CTA, a lot of stuff. Okay, yeah. Oh, nine. Yeah, they have, what should I say, a lot of forms. So let's say what kind of, okay. Yeah, why not? So let's preview this product review form. Let's review FormNX as well. Okay. So name, email, last name, phone number, oh, these mandatory thing. Okay. And uh, which product you would like to review, product ABC. Okay, so star rating and all. So this one review form, this is how it looks like. Click on this. Okay, form and X trial form name. Okay, so yeah, great. They have this one guide also, product guide also. These are the available elements to use in the like type of fields to use in the form. That is short input text and email number, long text area, drop down, radio button, checkboxes and paragraph, range kind of slider, and date and time, file upload, image upload, text editor. Okay, Okay, yeah, maybe even I think we can enter blocks so too lengthy. So for text, they have four options. One is normal short text, then long text, then paragraph, then text editor. That's great. And yeah, terms and conditions also, elements. Okay, and yeah, these are the widgets also as well. Star rating, switch like toggle, and divider, HTML text, signature, page break, YouTube embed, iframe embed, PDF embedder, countdown, spacer. Yeah, actually, yeah, this is pretty good. I should say, especially at the LTD level. And yeah, in next step, actually, drop the element here. You can drop it here, and then field conditions. If you would like to manage conditions, we can manage conditions here. And this is the email configure receiving submission emails settings, capture, design, notifications, and all, and integrations, integrate MailChimp or something else. And this is just directly publish. Okay, and when you're working on forms, if you're having multiple field steps, those and all, then you should keep saving that at regular intervals so that you don't lose your work. Okay, so this is the form here. I would like to remove this as what should I say, form. Next detail element configure properties. Okay, is it required? I do not want that as required. Okay, something like that. Okay, so here what should I say, validation. They have validation also. Is it required? Yes. Okay, name, placeholder first name and last name. uh, let's make it why first name last name, something like that. We just mention full name. Okay, okay, anyway, so and regarding email, so let's go here. You can see the property details left side. Okay, email placeholder and help text also is there, and validation. So if you would like to validate thing, you can add it as a validation, email validation, error message, so whether it is an email or not. Okay, and try something new. Okay, yeah, they have signature, great. Yeah, keep it at this place, and range as well. Okay, so anyway, so let's save this form. You can save it as a signature has duplicate name. What is error? Content duplicate name. Okay, fine. So it should be unique. So that is the case. Let's, yeah, I'm saving it. So it is saving, and then what I need, conditions, show hide when, okay, an element. Okay, yeah. If it's like if you want to have some conditional fields, you can do this. Like example, which would you like to review uh, quality, satisfaction, value. Overall, how would you rate this product? So let me know your thoughts. Okay, here I want to have show hide this one. So when equal to three, maybe one. Okay, so something like that. So if the overall rating is one, I would like to hide, would you recommend the product to your friends, because the customer itself is saying it is not good. So I cannot ask the customer to uh, refer their friends, right? So that way. And yeah, this is like a new submissions. So whenever a new submission is there, if you want to receive an email, you can add your email, like from email, from which email it goes to. If you would like to have multiple emails, you can share and body. Okay, and I think they also support SMTP also. Use my SMTP, and auto response also is there, like this. So whoever submits the uh, whoever submit the form, they will receive the auto response. And this here you can add SMTP settings as well again. Okay, so you can test it. And these are settings of multiple pages, like enable Google reCAPTCHA. I think you need to have your CAPTCHA key and secret generated in Google, so that you need to provide here. Okay, and then thank you page, you can customize it however you want. Like even you can customize it by adding the tags, like name. So here I would like to add a name like this. So the name will be displayed. So thank you. If I fill the form, like it's like thank you Vishwa, your submission has been received and you will contact you soon, something like that. So it's kind of personalization on the thank you page. So thank you page after submission. We can even redirect to external page, so that is necessary also as well. And enable confetti animation. Yeah, there is a lot of stuff. Otherwise, one second. Yeah, uh, we have got Nikhil on board.
Hello,
Namaste,
everyone.
Nikhil.
Yes. Are you able to hear me? Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yes. Yes. You able to hear me, right?
Yes, yes, we can hear you.
Yes. Yeah. Great. Great to have you here, Vishwanath. Okay.
Actually, yeah. Thank you, Nikhil, for
Sorry.
joining us today.
Sorry. Yeah. First of all, let me apologize for joining so late here. Actually, I got in in middle of some work, and because of that, I was not able to join. So let us start without wasting our time.
Yeah, actually, I was doing the review and I was creating a demo form already,
Mhm.
and that also let me complete that very quickly. Uh,
Yes,
just uh,
sure,
uh,
go ahead.
just let me give some conclusion. So you can also see. So I was in this page settings. So I was customizing a thank you page and all. And then there are like you can schedule your forms. There is password protection for forms, and this I think we can ask founder about it. Okay, okay, yeah. This is about prefix and suffix. Okay, anyway, so and we can even generate PDFs from the form submissions as well. That's great.
Yes.
And the customization, button customization is there, and form data settings, like how you want to store and what and all need to there, like this.
Mm-hmm.
And duplicate check is there as well. And CO, I'm not sure what it is exactly, so we can check with founder. And this is the progress bar and a scroll up button. And that is next tab is integration. So they have these integrations already with Google Sheets, Mailchimp, and they also have webbook, so that you can connect with Public Connect, Flowmatic, JP or Make, or any other service, even Airtable with webbook and all. So if you want to integrate, and they have Stripe integration for payments, and Google Calendar integration is coming soon. And this is done, and we'll publish it. Okay, once it is published, we can share that as a URL. We can share that on social media. And we have button, feedback button, light box, and we can even embed this code, but on static websites also as well, on HTML websites or WordPress website or anywhere you want. So yeah, this is how we create forms. And yeah, let's get back to the live. And uh, thank you, Nikhil. Thank you again for joining us. Hello, are you are
Yes,
unmute? Yeah, okay,
sorry, sorry.
you are
Yes,
unmute. Good.
yes. Yeah, thank you so much for calling me here, like to join this live call. Um, and it's like great to have you here. Okay.
Yeah, same here. So yeah, we were expecting a demo. So yeah, please get started. We can
Yes,
discuss
yeah,
that
sure, sure,
further.
sure. Let me share my screen and let us.
Yes.
Yes. Sure. So, are you able to see my screen, right? Everyone
Yes, we
able?
can see.
Okay, great. Okay. So I have logged in with my credential. So
One
when you
second, one
log,
second. I think it's my screen everywhere. I think you need to share the screen.
yes, yes, sure.
My screen share is two times. Yeah. Uh,
Yes. Should I go ahead with the review or demo or like
no. Yes. One second. Okay. Now.
now it's live, right? My screen is visible to
Yes.
everyone.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. So I have logged in with my credential here. So when you log in, you will see a welcome screen like the dashboard here. So first time when you will create an account, you will get an onboarding screen where you have to like fill all your details. After filling the onboarding screen, you will get this dashboard. And here in the dashboard, it will show you some of the details like number of forms you have, number of submissions, and the storage which you have. Okay, so first thing what we have to do is we have to create the form, right? That's what FormNX is mostly about. So I will just go to the new form here, and if you click on the new form, you will see like four different options like scratch, start from the scratch, or use a template. Use AI. This feature is actually coming soon. It's not. It's under development right now. Then we have copy existing form. So you can copy any of your existing form to create a new form out of it, right? So let us let us start from the scratch. So like we recommend like just use a template if you are getting a template which fits your requirement, just use that template. If it does not fit, then start from the scratch. So let me just click on use a template here, and here inside the use a template you will see many different options here like referral program form, parental satisfaction form. You will see list of different templates here. You can search for any template here. For example, I need a feedback form. I can search the whatever fit form I need, and here it will show you the details of the form here. Right, and you can also see the form in new tab. So here you can see how the feedback form will look like. So if this form fits your need, just click on use template. I will click on use template, and here I have to give a name. I will give the name as feedback form demo. I will give some description. You can change all this name and description later on also. Just click on create form, and you will see like the advantage of using a template is like you don't have to start it from the scratch, right? So you can see like the form is by default created here, and here I have a list of all the elements which I can drag and drop inside this particular form. And if you see like we have two different kind of elements. First is basic and second one is wizards. So inside wizards you will get several survey elements as well as some advanced elements like integration with Google, YouTube, pace break, signature, countdown timer. You can also add some input table, form calculations. So these are some of the advanced fields like form calculations. You can have some calculations inside the form. You can add have scale rating. So these are all the fields which you can use for survey, or you can use for quizzes or different purposes, right? So after you have so let me just drag this field here, number field. I can drag and drop it anywhere inside this screen. So let me just drop it here. So once you have dropped the field, you will get a configuration here. You can add any, like, you can add the label of this field. What will be the placeholder? Let me just type any placeholder here. Help text. I can enter some help text here. If the field is required, just click on is required. You can change the error message here. So a lot of different options. You can like also have an icon prefix. So you can see like this icon is showing here. You can have an icon suffix. So this will be shown in the at the end of the form field. You can have some default value. You can mark it as read only, and many different options which you can configure it from here. So once this is done, just click on back, and you can drag and drop any different other elements here. So let me just drag this date time element. So again, you have to fill the name, help text, all these things, and here you will get a format, like what format you want the date time to be in. You can disable some of the days. So lot of different options are present here. Like if you go inside individual fields, you will see a lot of different options. So just explore all the fields, because like we have a live demo. Let me just show some advanced widgets here. Let me add signature here. So with this signature, like anyone can sign inside this form. Okay. Then we have more different as well advanced widgets, like we have countdown timer. So countdown timer, it actually helps to like if you have a end date, you can select the time zone, and what date time this form will end, or like any countdown timer which will help to improve your conversion of your form, right? You can change all the different like labels and all these things here. Let me, okay. Then once we have these things, once we have added all the elements of our form, we can go to this form tabs here. Form tag, there is a form button here. Just click on this form button. Here you can change the name, description. Then you can select the size. What will be the size? Like full, you can see like if it's full, it is coming 100% width. If it is large, it's like not 100%, 80% is here. Medium will be somewhat small. Small is somewhat more smaller here. So you can adjust different sizes of the form. You can select what will be the position, right, left. You can adjust like what will be the base background here. So you can see like we have by default some beautiful gradient options here. You can also alter all these options, or you can like based on your branding, you can alter all these options here, right? Or like if you want a solid color, you can just pick a solid color from here. And if you want some images, you can like also have, you can also add some images here. You can also keep it as transparent. Okay, so let me make it as gradient, because like gradient actually looks better, like and we can also select the direction, what it will be the gradient direction. And then we can also change the all the designing of this particular form, like this card of this form, right? So we can similar options, like we can have it solid gradient, or we can keep it as transparent. So whatever fits your need, just make it as like that. Then you can select the what will be the label, all this label, what will be the size of this label, label color, error message color, lot of different options here. Once you have done all this form, then you can go to the conditional fields. Here you can like you can show or hide different fields based on the conditions. So for example, I want to show the signature field when the where did you hear about us is Google. So what I can do is go here and show what is the field name. It's signature field. where did you hear about us is equals to Google. So when they will select it as Google, then only this signature field will be shown. So you can add like many different conditions here. Like this is and conditions. You can see like this is and condition and or conditions. So based on this, let's like signature, like based on you can like have this signature field displayed based on multiple conditions here, right? Then you can add some conditions for more fields also. So similarly, we can configure as many as conditions we need. Then go to the email tab. Here inside the email tab, you can enable automatic receiving of emails whenever someone will submit the form. So like there is a new submission email settings. So if you enable this, if you enable this, like you will receive an email whenever someone submits the form. And if suppose you want to send an email to like the customer who is filling the form, then you can enable auto response. So with this auto response, someone who is filling the form, he will get a email, right? Like you can add as many as details like you will see different dynamic tags here. You can take advantage of all these tags. Just click on it and you will be able to use all these tags here inside your body, and as well as you can use inside it and in your subject also. So you can let me like hello. So you can enable like you can do all this configuration here. Then we have settings. So inside settings, you can enable Google reCAPTCHA. So this is mostly useful for preventing of spams from like automatic submissions of the form. Then you can design the thank you page. Like if you want to redirect to an external URL, just enable redirect to an external link after submission. If you want to show a thank you inside the FormNX itself, you can just enable this option. You can also enable this confetti animation. Like in the thank you page, this animation will be shown here. So just you can also use this dynamic tags here inside your thank you page. Right. Then we have form scheduling. So if you want the form to be enabled between a particular date, so you can enable like start and end date. You can give a start and end date to schedule the form. So when the form is closed, it will show this message here, closed message here. Then you can password protect the form. We have like you can automatic generate reference number for the form, like whenever someone is submitting, it will automatically generate a reference number for that one. So you can put something here sub 6. I can have a start number as maybe 1000 is my start number. Minimum I want 4 digits, so I can have this submission. Then we can design the PDF. So whenever someone will submit the form, we can also design the PDF which they will be getting in their email. So if you go to email field, here we have an option to like attach PDF. So if you enable this one, they will also get an email. They will also get this PDF. So inside this PDF also you can use different tags, all the tags from the form. You can have the submit button design here, like what will be the style, different color option, what will be the alignment here, uh, form data setting, let us check it later. Then you can also have a duplicate check. So if you enable this, like no one will be able to submit. Like if suppose I want no one, like I don't want to be submissions, I want like every email will have only one submissions, then I can enable like input field. I can also enable based on the IP address. So only one time it can be submitted from one IP address. Or also I can enable this duplicate check based on the field condition. So here it is showing number. So whenever someone will enter the same number, it will not allow them to submit. Okay. Um, then we have like SEO settings. So this SEO setting is actually inside a premium plan. So with this SEO setting, you can have like your SEO title, what will be the title of the form, meta tags, and what will be the image of the form. Like whenever you are sharing the form in some social medias, what will be the default like preview, what will be shown inside the, what will the preview will be shown inside the social medias. Then some more settings here, like you can enable progress bar. You can also enable scroll to top, like scroll to top will be shown in the form. So once we have configured everything, just click on save. Let me- So once you have like save the form, just click on share and publish. So if you click on share and publish, you will get, like you can directly copy the link and share it. You can share it in social medias. You can publish on your website, like you can directly embed it in your website. Or you can also have a submit, like a button. You can have a feedback button. You can have like pop up, like lightbox type of button in pop up in your website where the form will be displayed. Okay, so just copy any of this code and use it inside your. You can also use it inside your like CMS, WordPress, or any other CMS which you are using. Just copy this code and you can directly paste it inside the CMS. So once everything is configured, let us like just open in. Let us try to open this form in a new tab. So you can see like based on our setting in the top, it is showing the progress bar. So you can see like it is showing the progress bar. It's showing here. The blue color progress bar is shown in the top, right? We added a condition like whenever we will check Google, then only it will show a signature field. So if I am selecting Google here, it is showing me the signature field. Okay, then I can also like I have to fill the date, time, number, star rating. I will like once this form is completed, you will see like the progress bar is 100% done, like 5 out of 5 it is showing here. Then if I click on submit, you can see like I enable the confetti animation. So in the submit, it is showing me the confetti animation, right? So if I want to see all the submissions inside my, you can see like in the list of all the forms, you will be able to see number of submissions here, like count. Here it is showing one, and there is no submissions here. And also we have some advanced feature, like you can have a submission report, visitor report, like how many people are visiting inside your form, from where they are visiting the form. So let me just show it. Like if you go inside the submissions, here you can see like you are able to see list of all the submissions. Like right now we only have one submission, so it is showing this way. I can also view the details of this one here. I can print it from here. I can also add some comments. Like this comment will be only for like internal reference. Like it will not be getting sent to the customer, or like you can download this as a PDF. Okay. So once you have like you will be getting list of all submissions. Let us go to the submission report. So inside the submission report, you will be able to see like the report here. Like based on the submissions, you will be able to see the report here. So like how many percentage of people are saying they heard from the Google, and like overall product quality, like based on what field we had inside our form, like overall product quality, how many people are saying it as like you can also view it this in full screen. You can also print this chart. So a lot of different options here. You can also like download it as PNG, JPG, or table format. So this is how the submissions report is present. Next, if you go to the visitor report, so this visitor report will show like how many visits I have inside my form. So right now you can see like there is like no visit inside my form, because like this is actually because like I have logged in from the same account from which the form is created, so it is not considering my visit inside it. But if I will open the form in a new incognito tab, and if I will refresh it here, then you can see like here it is showing me one unique visit. So it will show you unique visit and total visits. and it will also show you what is the referral, like where are the people coming from inside your form. So it is showing this as direct visit. But if someone is coming from Google, or someone is coming from Facebook or Twitter or different social medias, or maybe Gmail, this will be displayed here. So you will be able to know like where is my form actually getting more popular. So this is like a brief overview how this FormNX works. Then we have like is it fine, or like am I going too fast? Anyone having any questions? Okay, can we add custom code? Like by custom code, do you mean like adding of custom JavaScript and CSS inside your code? Like if you mean like adding of custom JavaScript and CSS, then you can do it. Like just go to the forms, and here if you scroll down, there is an option to add custom JavaScript and CSS. So in this JavaScript, you can add your analytics code like Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, or different tracking code. You can add it inside this JavaScript section. But this is actually only available in the premium plan. So with the free plan, you will not getting this option to enter the JavaScript. You can enter some custom CSS. For example, you there is some like if you want some custom designing inside your form, you can add it here. So it is not available in this plan, but if I will go with a premium plan, then it will be available inside that one, right? So I hope in the Preet, this that responds your question. Any email, any plan for email OTP verification? Yeah, actually, we have got some like some customers asked us if we have email verification. Right now, we don't have that email verification, but soon, like we will have that email OTP verification. Uh, so whatever like feedback you have, just you can also there is like this. Let me share this link. Whatever feedback you have, whatever like. So I will just like ask the admin to share the link where you can enter like whatever feature request you have.
Yeah.
So it's formnx.kenny.io.
Okay.
Like I'm not getting an option to actually send it from here. I don't know. Any plan for send reminder with SMS? Any plan for
Yeah, you can send me in the private chat. Otherwise, I will share it anyway.
yes. Yeah, I have. Yeah, I have shared with Inderpreet Singh in the private chat.
Okay, okay. No, here in the live. It's anyway. I will.
Yeah, yeah, so yeah, I've got that option here, private chat. So here you can add like any of your feature. If you want any more feature or any issues, you can add it here. And also we have this Facebook group where you can join, for any of your queries. Like you can post any of your queries here. I hope like anyone having any more questions or anything which I should demo more, just like let me know. Mm,
Yeah. Actually, I have gone through the features. Actually, it is very well thought and a lot of features actually.
yeah, yeah. Thank you so much.
Because when I tried myself with the free plan, there were some features for logged, but still there are a lot more to explore, and
Mhm.
we can do a lot of stuff inside FormNX, and even the templates also very good. I think I
Yes.
found a lot of templates to get started with.
Mhm.
Whenever I'm trying a new tool, what I do is like I go through the template so that we can get started easily and we can understand how it works, rather than
Yes. Yeah.
sitting on the blank page and trying to imagine like what is my requirement, those and all. So I found that very well, and we are looking forward for AI inside Form Builder as
Yes. Yeah.
well.
Definitely. Yeah.
Yeah, and webhooks are already there, so it's pretty good
Yes.
for automations
Yes.
and AI. So in the AI part actually, so you will include that AI feature directly in the forms. Otherwise, that is create for creating forms only, or something else is there use case.
Uh, yeah, like we have like different plannings. Like one will be for creating the forms. The second we can have it like for increasing the form conversion. So like based on what form you have created, the AI will analyze like it and it will give you some points based on which you can improve the conversion of your form.
Okay, okay, great.
Uh,
So yeah, now coming to the plans actually. So let me share the screen. Can you see my screen?
yes, yes, yeah.
Okay, so I was just comparing with the. Okay, anyway, comparing the plans on. Okay, so this plan is there, right? So here we have two plans. One is premium and another one is ultimate.
Yes,
And on AppSumo we have mentioned as this is connected to the premium plan.
yes, 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 yeah.
So even if we are doing like buying four codes and all, then that is also to premium plan, or is it mapped to ultimate plan? Because I can see
Yes,
there are some features from ultimate plan.
yes. Actually, the plan 3 and 4 will be coming from the ultimate plan. Actually, I think we have to like modify it in the AppSumo.
Yeah, yeah. Please update that as well.
Yes, yes.
And
Thank you
so
for letting.
here on these two plans, so what is where you will show the branding actually in this plan? So company branding is there, means FormNX branding, right?
Yes, if you go to any of the form, in the bottom it is showing like made with form NX.
Okay, okay, okay.
And yeah, and second thing is like in the plan, like we are adding feature where you can add your custom domain. So with plan 3 and 4, you will be adding like you will be getting an ability to add your domain inside uh, where the form
Okay.
will be stored.
Okay. CNAME will be like whenever I'm sharing form, now I will get formnx.com, something like that. So rather than that,
Yes,
I can use my own domain. So that will be there. Okay.
yes.
So what else
Another
in the
thing,
road? Yeah.
yeah,
Please.
another thing we have inside the plan 3 and 4 is like you will be getting custom CSS and JavaScript. Like you will be getting ability to add Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, different
And
trackings you will
some
be
custom styling also. Yes.
yeah, custom styling also, and you will be getting SEO settings here like OG images, title, all those things, meta description, meta title, all those things inside the plan 3 and 4.
Yeah, great to know. So what else is there in on the roadmap? Like something exciting?
Uh, Yeah, actually, you see, like we have a lot of different, like a lot of features are present inside the FormNX. What we have in the roadmap is like we have like this email OTP verification. This is in the roadmap. Then we have the option for like we are planning to have this like dedicated feature for quiz. Right now, the creation of like quiz is possible, but it's not that easy. Like you can definitely have the quiz feature inside the FormNX. You can build quiz form, but it's not that easy. We are working on like making it much more easier. So you will get an option where you can give feedback. What is the feedback you have to give based on correct answer? What is the feedback you will be giving based on wrong answer? Different point calculation. You can also have timers for the quiz. Uh, so similar kind of features we will have it inside the quiz mode inside the FormNX. So
Great.
that
Yeah, that should be completing that way. And is there any feature for calculated fields? I haven't tried that actually.
calculator. Yeah, actually calculator is already present inside the FormNX. Like you can have calculation field. You can also based on the calculation fields you can like based on so are you sharing my screen? Let me show like
Yes, yes, yes.
so if you go inside the wizards at the very end you are getting this form calculation.
Okay.
So just drag and drop this field. So if you drag and drop this field, like you will be able to enter the formula here, like what is the formula you want. Like for example, I want field is plus numbers, something, anything here. And once you have created the formula here you can go and assign all the values. For example, if someone is selecting social media, what will be the value for that one? If someone is selecting friend, what will be the value for that one? So you can also have a pricing table here, and based on the pricing, like you can have different plans here. For example, here we have plans, and also inside this plan one, for example, plan one is $49. I can also enter some description here. Then we have plan two is 98. Then plan three is, for example, 159, 200. So you can enter different pricings here, and also the description here, right? So once we have given this, let me go to this form calculation and let me clear this one. I will enter this plan. So whatever is the value of the plan, it will be shown inside the calculation field. So let me just save this form and let us try it once. So if I am selecting, so you can see like when I am selecting plan one, it is showing 50 here. When I am selecting plan two, plan three, it is showing 209 here. Um,
159 plus 50.
yes, plan two is 98 here. So you can also hide this field. So for, if I want to hide this field, let me just
Yeah, conditional.
let me make it as read only field. So what you can do is like you can go to integrations, and here you can enable stripe connect here.
Yeah, yeah, got it.
So in this stripe connect, actually I will be not able to show the demo of this one here because of some like I have, okay. So once you are connected, let me just try. Okay,
No issue, no issue.
so once you are connecting with the stripe,
So I have this one also. Is there any field like QR code generation in the form?
yes, yes, yeah, yeah, let me see. So here you can see like I am showing the process to connect with the stripe. So once you click on connect with the stripe, then it will like it will go to the stripe, and here it will ask you some of the details, right? So it is taking, so like yeah, you can see like
It's
the
okay.
stripe is connected. You can select the price field, like what will be the price field. So let me select this form calculation as the price field, currency as USD, maybe anything I can enter here. Plan of product name, description I can enter, select the customer email. Okay, if I will click on save as form, so you can see like I will be not able to edit this field. So when I'm whenever I will be clicking on this submit, it will be taking me to stripe checkout where I have to pay the amount, like this $50 will be shown here. So this is how like the calculation field is present. You can use the calculation field with this type, or you can use it anywhere based on your requirement.
Yeah, got it. So yeah, okay.
You're asking something like I interrupted in the
Yeah,
middle.
I was asking about QR code.
Yes, yeah, just give me a second.
Like I had a some requirement. Like whenever somebody submits a form, I want
Mm-hmm.
to create a PDF and send them an email as well.
Mm-hmm.
But in that PDF, actually, I need a QR code. So I will pass some value, and the QR code need to be generated dynamically.
Okay. Actually, that QR code is not present here. We actually had this. Let me check, like where we have and get back.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. It's okay. I just asked. I already checked. I think I didn't find. It's pretty much fine anyway.
Yes.
So till what time the deal is live on AppSmo?
Um, like currently, like I don't have exact, like exactly. I don't know how many days it will be like.
Okay.
Currently, like it's in Black Friday, so like you will be
Yeah.
saving 10% on your purchase. Um, and we
Okay.
have like, yeah, we already have like maybe 50 customers using FormNX now. Uh,
How many
and
customers?
like 50 customers, like 50 customers from AppSumo, like who have purchased the
Okay.
deal. Yes.
Yeah. Anyway, so congratulations and all the best as well.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah. Yeah, anyone like from the audience, anyone have any questions? I can like happy to help.
And yeah, are you on Facebook?
Yes, like I have shared my Facebook link within the private chat. Like
Okay.
here I've shared the Facebook group where
Okay.
you
Okay.
can,
Got it. Got it.
yeah,
Yeah.
here you will find like I am posting many different posts inside that group, or someone from my team is posting. So just if there is anything, you can post it in the group, or you can directly connect me in the Facebook chat also.
Sure. Sure. Got it.
Yes.
Okay. Then yeah. I think this is it from our side.
Yes. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you, Vishwanath, for like creating like for your time and creating this like this webinar
Live.
here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you so
I
much
hope
for
like
joining us.
yes. Actually, as like sorry once again for joining late. Like I actually had some different plans and actually got missed because of that one.
Yeah. No issue. Fine.
Yes.
It happens. Yeah. Okay. Then see you. Let's connect
Yes.
again. Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Sure. Sure.
Yeah.
Sure. Have a good day.
Take.
Yeah. Everyone have a very
Yeah.
good day.
Yeah. You
Yes.
too. Take care.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Bye. Bye.
Bye. So yeah, guys, this is it for today. We'll connect with another founder tomorrow. Okay, we have plans for even other founders the next week also as well. So be prepared. If you have any questions and all, please ready to ask, clarify your doubts and all as well. And so yeah, please join our community and please be active. Let's discuss openly about not just about LTDs, but also for business automations, use cases, scenarios, and how to operate and grow your business with ease. Okay, yeah, this is it. Thank you so much for joining us today. Take care. Good night.